Hi guys, welcome back to RVC Talk. So quickly we'll talk about Nifty today, what happened, what are the opportunities, and overall how it performed and what can be expected further, right? Okay, if you look at simply Nifty opened at very important level from MWD Magic level indicator perspective, exactly just below a monthly high, right? Yesterday also we discussed if the close is above this, then there is a good upside momentum possible, right? At least up to here, and then if sustains, then further upside. But we see this clearly, there is a rejection here, and there is no CE opportunity. And the first message in our group also says that you take CE only above this level, right? Remember, right? 23,747. Yesterday also we said the same thing. Here, if you look at and yesterday entire choppy market, right? There is no trade opportunity. Multiple times try to go up, again down, up, down. So it is like entire day. Even if whatever option you had taken, probably you would have ended up in loss yesterday. Today we clearly said only above this you take a CE opportunity. And then it opened a strong red candle. For some time, there is a consolidation, at least till 10:15, 1 hour, right? This is the high of the ORB opening range breakout. Let's say 1 hour is our ORB, not 5 minutes candle. This is a high, this is a low. When this at 10:35, right? Sorry, 10:20 after the ORB is done, there is a breakdown below the ORB. This is one way of taking a PE. Otherwise, as per our indicator, once there is a reversal, considering this is a high, only we take CE above this, you can take PE and see back-to-back red candles. You can enter into here, but this would have actually created a hit the stop loss. So that's why I'm saying. So probably whoever, including me, I had taken a PE here and hit the stop loss, then keep quiet kind of a thing. Like, okay, so I take a CE above this, PE below this. That's the idea. Okay, so I waited for like 1 hour, and then when there is a PE, the breakdown below this, there is a only low of the day. So there is a good opportunity all the way here. I thought, okay, probably it will reverse from here, but this level, because the trading gap here is almost like only 60 points. So I'm waiting for the strong confirmation. Okay, so let me go back and put this when we are not sure about what to do. Enable to, enable to, enable to, right? So if you go back and see, right? There are two levels here, previous day level and the low level. So this level definitely acts as a strong resistance. So there is no PE opportunity here. So that pushed the price further down. Expected monthly level will give some support. So waited for this, but it didn't happen. There is a breakdown further. And then there are two levels. The gap is so less. So waited for some more time. Only we had taken the trade once there is an after this candle, when we see this the strong candle after this reversal, in fact, if you remember the volume trend, right? The script I shared had given a clear indication here. I don't want to talk about this now, but from an MWD magic level indicator perspective, this level crossing the low of the month, right? You look at this low of the month is a strong indication that there is a reversal. Now looking at this back-to-back two candles closure, this is a below this level, but above this two level, there are the two candles. So it's a good indication that pushed the price all the way up to 725. So there is something like 100 and from here if you look at 150 points. Of course, this is also clearly mentioned there is a lot of turbulence here because the Jan first week VWAP, high of the day, daily level, and low of the week, right? This is from the previous day, this is from today, and this is from the last week, this is the current week. Oh, too many things here. And that is the reason why I said don't take CE here. You wait, don't take any trade here. Okay, so that's the reason why we shared clearly. And these things, the more you practice, the easy for you. Okay, a lot of people are asking, how do I take the trade? You don't need to take trade from the day one of this indicator. You are not running out of the time. Get used to this. Take a note of your findings. and then relate to this video what we are talking, relate to whatever messages we are sharing about this indicator, and then it's easy for you. It's a level to level. You look at this level, higher low of the month, and where low of the week. Each trade, right? These are like magnets. If you cross this, it will come here. If breakdown, it will come here. You are going to see this, okay? Maybe mostly sometimes you feel like, it's a repetition, but from a trading point of view, this is the easiest way of doing things, okay? If you quickly look at Bank Nifty, for example, right? So in a Bank Nifty, breakdown, a clear breakdown. Okay, too many levels here will confuse you. I will remove this. Everything is actually, in line to last week, last day. So I'll remove this for the ease of discussion. Once there is a breakdown of this level, level to level, level to level, right? From here, all the way we came here. Only when the Nifty started reversing, then we see some upside. So once this level is crossed, we thought, okay, probably this will come all the way here, but it didn't come because that momentum seems to be not there. Okay, somewhere here I taken a trade 49,500 CE, and we're seeing like 49,900, and this level, in fact, this is the candle I exited. So there is only one trade I have taken on Bank Nifty. And yeah, that's all from a Nifty and Bank Nifty point of view. But if you look at a lot of stocks which break out, like we discussed on the TCS, there's a good trading opportunity we discussed. There is ONGC, we discussed about this opportunity. Okay, there is a Dover, right? Dover, you need to take a note of this. If you look at the low of the week, it's crossed here. Low of the month, right? This is from the last month. So this is also being crossed here. Monthly VWAP is crossed here. There are so many things crossed here. So I'm expecting some momentum towards high of the month, this level. Okay, so basically November above this one, somewhere 520, 530. So just watch out for this tomorrow. Any questions, right? See, basically, many people are asking about how to get the access to this indicator. Please WhatsApp to me at 9494246220. We'll give you a trail access immediately. Once the trail is done, in case if you want to go for a subscription for the year, please let me know. We'll help you. And you had any questions, feel free to ping me. And we're able to get some better idea in terms of indicator levels, in terms of monthly, weekly, daily levels. It's easy if you are able to get hold of these levels. Okay. Happy trading. Thank you guys. Have a good night. Thank you.